And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 184. Let me show you the perspective crop tool. You can find it right here where the crop tool is. Right click on the toolbox, C is the shortcut for it. You can do that numerically at the top with width, height, and resolution, but usually the manual adjustment is what you need. Just make sure the grid is shown, and then you can left click and define 4 corner points. And you can always left click and drag to readjust them. Make that a bit bigger, and I try to follow the lines here of this building. So we've got the roof and the windows covered. I confirm, and now Photoshop tries to rotate it and then stretch it so that it has changed the perspective. Let me show you a use case. Let's just say you have a book like this. You can define your 4 corner points. We're going to lose a little bit. You can see it here at the top because there's a slight bend in the cover page. So not all results will be perfect, but if I confirm, we've got a somewhat decent result. Let me rotate that. So the author name is a little bit skewed and it's also blurred out slightly. That happens depending on the image that you use. It's due to the perspective. But as I've said, we've gotten a decent result here. One more thing to add, whenever you want to undo that, make sure that you cancel it on top. When you don't, you're going to get this warning message. And when you want it to disappear, just switch to a different tool and it will be gone. And this is how you can use the perspective crop tool in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.